What's up, guys? It's Mel and Liam's here. Come here. Come here, Liam. We're gonna play Paper.io. What do you say? Okay. So leave a like on this video and subscribe. And let's go. So, I have a tactic in that video. Huh? I have a tactic. Technique? Yeah. It's from the YouTuber named Sandy. Yeah, remember that? Yeah. He broke Minecraft. Oh! Nah! He died it. Yeah, darling. It is much harder when it's in computer. Yeah. I think we're gonna challenge. We're gonna cover this world. Yeah. Okay. I killed myself. Why did I kill myself like that? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna cover the world. Oh no, there's people. You're gonna die. There's people. It's Stay Safe, man. Stay safe. Don't kill him. He is in 16th place. Stay safe! Yeah, I'm glad. Share? No, I don't want to share. Play again. I want to pick a skin. Oh my god. What's up, guys? Why are you doing that again? It is not right in the beginning. You just paused it. Don't yell. Please don't kill my friend. If I kill myself, I will. Go for all the world. Yeah, I will. If people don't eat me. Okay. No. You killed yourself. I killed myself. 2 times. You killed yourself. Hey, don't touch the camera. This guys saying thumbs up, guys. There is an ad right now and it's loading. It's not loading. Let's pause the video. Okay. And more ads. Oh my god, I cannot. It's my turn. It's your turn and you are gonna die. You see something. Food. That's small. You just took 1% away from that guy. Are you sure? The number 1 player has 6%. The lady. What the lady is not good. Yeah, wear the headphones now. Ladybug is so good. Is that a donut, Mom? I'm in the middle of people. Look at the map. You're a tank. You can shoot, but you cannot shoot. Somebody stealing my food. Don't steal. I just took a big chunk away from this guy. This is so risky. Oh no, look! Yeah, you can never take me out. I just took out the moves. That was risky. What was that one? Medical guy. Someone's cutting my line. I wonder who it is. Hit that. This game's hard, bro. Why didn't you pause it? Pause the video. Seriously? Always commercial. Okay, let's see. No. Wait. You are in the edge of the map. Oh, why is he? There's some people. Please don't stay. I killed some people. You killed yourself. You are a bad guy. I killed myself. Let's change game mode. Oh, that's great. Small map. Oh, that's small map too. It's just sharp. Okay. You died! Time for three! You died! That was a time because there was an ad. Wait! And then there was a Mr. Bean. It's like a bat of a butt. Yeah, bat. Oh, you died. You got batted. Oh, 1 second. No? Player, see? Yeah, you're second. How about your name's Batman? Batman, rescue me from this world made out of paper. Batman? Where's Batman? Yes. Let's steal his food. Yeah, but get close to Batman. No. Because Batman will help you. No. He has a bat and he's also a man. He's Batman! You killed Batman! Hey, no. No, Sushi Man. No! You just killed Banana Man. It's play. Yeah. Let's go. Hey guys. Okay, where is our... I'm almost first place there though. Gingerbread. Cut the rainbow. Oh no. You got our I almost got him. 1 second away. Yeah. Look at your body though. How about I make my body look like you? Wait. Wait. Can't you kill me? I was first. No, you were not. Fair is my favorite game. Who? I spawned right in the edge. This is great because I spawned in the edge. See? That is very easy to do. Oh my god. Kill some people. No. Make it first. This is my tactic. This is very hard to control. Spider-Man. No! I was in a circle. Again. Impossible to get out. No, I'm in the edge too. Nice. Let's go. This video ends. Goodbye. Leave a like. No, it's